How to allow or deny apps permission to access car information on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down. Then in here, we tap on security and privacy. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on permission manager. Next, we scroll down, then tap on additional permissions. Then tap on car information. And from here, you can tap on the apps in the allow or not allow section. Currently, I do not have any app, but if there are apps in here that request access to car information, it will appear in here. And from there, you can tap on the app to change the permission to allow or denied. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.